Umintri rangba u Conrad ke Sangma, ulalong u Kongsan haka 16 IAM Shillong convocation, haka Southrik uyayong Sauli Shillong. Haka jingkren haka ni kesngi sami ki sernot jong ki Samla pule, ha Indian Institute of Management Shillong, umintri rangba u Conrad ke Sangma ulapin kenmawi ki Samla pule da kabaong. Minta pilami na kini kejaka pule bantur syakishra jong kajing jong pi. Kajing kalongkum kajing Iakop Mareh Thong leni marathon kabadawa ya kajing penet jingmut na dong Shadong. Haba pi Iakop Mareh Thong pimdei ban Phai din ban pet Sharum Shaneng Henry pet kliau syakata ke finishing line. Ula batai ya kajing ya lenti ha kajing jong u kumno usdang da kajing Sharum Henry aili bat do jing kermen. Ula ong ngalapin jana ya ke kabangaduna Day kani kamon bajuat kabala pelong yanga banlong MP, MLA, Menteri Finance, bat minta Menteri rangba kejela. Ula kentui ki Samla kani kesngi ban sedang ya kejingya linti berthamai ha kejing jongki da kaba pelet jingmut ya ki ki bagitmu ban job ha kejing Hakini ke convocation la donlang President jong ka Honeywell India Ashish Modi, Chairman Board of Governors IAM Shillong, Shishir Kumar Bajoria, but Director IAM Shillong, Professor D.P. Goyal.
This is a marathon. Therefore, it's not about that moment. It's not about a particular incident. And it's not just about a single day. But this is about the entire journey that you are embarking on from today. Hence, don't allow a single event or a moment or a statement or a comment being made by somebody distract you in the larger sense of moving forward in that entire marathon that you have ahead of you. As human beings, we go through a lot of, changes, situations, circumstances, transitions, if I may say. We transit from many roles that we have in life. I would say that this is maybe one of the more important transitions for you. One of the more important transitions. And everybody will transit into different things. I was a member of parliament. I lost my election first, of course, then I won my election. I became an MP, then I became an MLA, became Finance Minister, became Chief Minister. Every moment is different. And one thinks of it and says, well, this is a part of my life. It's over, but then there is so much that is ahead of you that's going to come. And let me repeat that this transition that you will go through is going to be the most important, most difficult, most challenging, most satisfying, and in a way also the most important transition that you will have. And I remember telling myself that when I was going through that transition, is that I'm going to do what I want to do. And that's it. So I decided that I will do what I want to do. Not because somebody's telling me to do it, or because there's a pressure on me to do it, but because I want to do it. And I personally feel that maybe that was one of the most difficult decisions, but also I would say one of the most important moments for me. I can't remember the exact moment I decided that, but I remember